All right, today we're gonna bring a pan, and this is a 4-splitter pan for either eggs, pancakes, pretty much anything you want to cook in there. And this is gonna divide them, of course. It's all divided. It comes with its own cover. All right, it's a glass cover with a bamboo hold, and also silicone ring so you don't have to worry about actually the screw going through. It does give you 2 silicone spatulas. All right, this is a actual flat one, and this is a brush to brush in whatever you want. This is for the butter, because you're gonna melt some butter, put it in there, oil, whatever it is. Give you the right tools to put it together, all right, and tighten up the screws for the handle and the top. So everything's included with it. And this is granite, so you don't have to worry about any chemicals or anything like that. We're gonna use it today and see how it works. So let's go and do that. All right, so we're gonna start here, a little lower fire, all right? I'm gonna try to add butter first so we can see it cooking up, and that's how you find out it gets hot. It's getting hot. So with the butter, I just melt it. I'll do one, and then another one. More butter. We're gonna scramble one, and we're not gonna scramble the other ones. All right, so go ahead and start with one. Start with one. That's gonna be the scramble one. All right, we're gonna scramble. And it's very important. So because we don't want to scramble, we want to scramble one. We're gonna get this one, scramble it. Do it now while it's still in there, and that's pretty much it. Back in a couple minutes, but we're gonna cover it up and let them run for a bit. All right, so it's low heat right now. You want to turn it up a little bit to cook faster. That's up to you. All right, with the little spatula that you got, you could go ahead and start opening this up and making sure that you can move it all around. Look at that, beautiful rounded, right? That one's done almost, so this one's almost done too. And they look like the McDonald's ones pretty much. They cook all around. They cook beautiful on this one. This is a scramble one. This one's ready to go. You can even flip if you want, optional, let's see if I can flip this one over. And I did it. So that, look how beautiful that came out. So these are done already. So we're gonna turn it down for a bit. Let's go ahead and put it back. Give it 1 more minute, and then we're gonna turn it off. Look how simple it is to get the eggs out, all right? And this is what the egg yolk goes in here. But look how beautiful the egg is done. It tastes wonderful. I'm gonna tell you this. Because of the steam, it gives it an extra layer of protection on the yolk. And there's still yolk in there, right? But the cheese is where it's at too. So hope you guys enjoyed this video.